Good morning, students. Today, let us learn a new lesson, that is multiples and factors. Let us start with the factor. What do you mean by factor? A factor of a number divides the number exactly. Let us look at the example. Find the factor of 58. Let us take first pair. 1 into 58 is 58. So here, when we divide 58 by 1, we get quotient as 58. And when we divide 58 by 58, we get a quotient as 1. So in both the cases, remainder is 0. Thus, it means 58 is divisible by 1 and 58. Second pair is 2 into 29 is 58. Here, when we divide 58 by 2, we get quotient as 29. And when we divide 58 by 29, we get the quotient as 2. So, here, in both the cases, remainder is 0. Thus, the factor of 58 are 1, 2, 29 and 58.
Now let us do another example. Find the factors of 81. So pairs of the number which gives the product 81 are 1 into 81 is 81. Again it goes in 3 table. 327 is 81. Again in 9 table. 9 9 is 81. Then it goes directly in 27 table. 27 3 is 81. It's one and the same. And 81 1 is 81. So these are the pairs of the number which gives the product 81. So the factors of 81 are 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. Boys, remember here, the 9 is the factor which is repeating twice. So you have to write only once.
Remember, students, every number has 1 as a factor. Every number is a factor of itself. And every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, one number and the number itself. And the factor of a number is always equal to or less than the number. Remember these points. Now, let us look at the multiples. A multiples of a number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same or any other number. Now, let us look at the example. Find the multiples of 12. It is very easy, boys. When we multiply 12 by 0, by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on, we get 0, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 and 120 and so on as the product. So here product obtained is nothing but the multiples of the 12. Now let us look at the another example. Find the multiples of 19. When we multiply 19 by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on, we get 0, 19, 38, 57, 76, 95, 114, 133, 152, 171 and 190 and so on as the product. So here the product is nothing but the multiples of 19. Remember this point, students. A number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every multiple of a given number is equal to or greater than the number itself. Every number has infinite numbers of multiples. And 0 is the number of every number. Means 0 is the multiple of every number. But 0 is not a factor of any number except 0.
Now let us do the problem set 32. Write the factors of the following number. Now first sum is 8. You have to find the factors of 8. So pairs of the number which gives the product 8 are 1 into 8 is 8, 2 into 4 is 8, then it goes in 4 table, 4 2s is 8, one and the same, and 8 1s is 8. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Second sum 5. You have to find the factors of 5. So the pairs of the number which gives the product 5 are 1 into 5 is 5. And again it goes in 5 table, 5 1s is 5. So the factors of 5 are 1 and 5. So 5 is the factor which goes in its own table and 1 table. Now third sum, find the factors of 14. So pairs of the number which gives the product 14 are 1 into 14 is 14. Then it goes in 2 table, 2 7s is 14. Then 7 table it goes, 7 2s is 14, it's one and the same. And 14 1s is 14. So the factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Then the fourth sum, factors of 10. So pairs of the number which gives the product 10 are 1 into 10 is 10, 2 into 5 is 10, then it goes in directly 5, 5 2s is 10, the same as the same, and 10 1s is 10. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10.
Solve the fifth sum, factors of 7. So 1 into 7 is what? 7. The 7 is the number which is going in its own table and one table. Okay, so the factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Sixth sum, factors of 22. The factors of 22 are 1 into 22 is what? 22. 2 into 11 is what? 22. 3 table it is not going. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 table it is not going. 10 table also it will not go. 11 table it goes because 11 2 is what? 22. One and the same. And it goes directly in 22 table. So 22 1 is what? 22. So the factors of 22 are 1, 2, 11 and 22. Now let us solve the seventh sum, 25. The factors of 25 are, first one, start from 1. 1 into 25 is 25. And directly it goes in 5 table. So 5 5 is what? 25. And 6, 7, 8, no other table it is going. It directly goes in 25's table. So 25 1 is 25. So these are the pairs of the number whose product is 25. So the factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Remember students, 5 is the factor which is repeating twice. So you have to write only once. 8th sum, 32. So 1 into 32 is 32. 2 into 16 is 32. 3 table it is not going. It goes in 4 table. So 4 8 is 32. So these are the factors we got. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So these are the pairs of the number whose product is 32. So the factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. For the ninth sum, 33. Find the factors of 33. So start from 1. 1 into 33 is 33. 2 table it will not go. It goes in 3 table. 3 11 is 33. Again other table it is not going. It goes directly in 11 table. So 11 3 is what? 33. One and the same. And 33 1 is 33. So the factors are 1, 3, 11 and 33. Now let us do the test for divisibility. First one, test for divisibility by 2. If there is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 is in the units place, the number is multiple of 2 or is exactly divisible by 2. So boys, here you have to check the units place numbers. Okay. So if the numbers, for example, if I give you, see 22, 46 and 70, all these numbers have last digit number. You have to check all last digit numbers. That is the numbers in the units place. So here 22, 2 is there. 46, 6 is there in the units place. And 78, 8 is the units place. So all these numbers are there. That is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 is in the units place. All these numbers are there in the units place. Then we say that the number is multiple by 2 and it exactly divisible by 2. Okay. Next. Test for divisibility by 5. Now here in the units place 5 and 0 should be there. Then the number is multiple of 5 and divisible by 5. For example, now see here 25, 5 is there in the units place. Here 60, 0 is there in the units place. 35, 5 is there in the units place. 105, again 5 is there in the units place. So all these numbers are multiples of 5 because here 5 and 0 is there in the units place. So they are multiples of 5 or divisible by 5. Next. Test for divisibility by 10. Now here 0 should be there in the units place. Then the number is multiple of 10. Understood? For example, if I take 20, now see here 20, 0 is there in the units place. 40, again 0 is there in the units place. 100, again 0 is there in the units place. Then 1000, again 0 is there in the units place. All these numbers have 0 in the units place. So all these numbers are divisible by 10 or multiples of 10. Get it to you? Now let us solve the problem set 33. Write 5 three-digit numbers that are multiples of 2. So according to the test of divisibility by 2 is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. This digits should be there in the units place. Then only the numbers are multiples of 2. Okay, so I took here 100, 102, 104, 106 and 108. See all these numbers have large digit numbers, that is 100 is having 0 in the units place, 102 is having 2 in the units place, 104 is having 4 in the units place, 106 is having 6 in the units place, 108 is having 8 in the units place. All these numbers have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in the units place. So these numbers are multiples of 2. Boys, it is not necessary you have to write these numbers only. You can form another 3-digit numbers and you can write it down. But only remember that the last digit number should be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay. Now next sum, write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 5. Now according to the test for divisibility by 5, 0 and 5 should be there in the units place. Then only the numbers are multiples of 5. Now here I took 100, 105, 110, 115 and 120. So here 100, see 0 is there in the units place. 105, again 5 is there in the units place. 110, 0 is there in the units place. 115, 5 is there in the units place. 120, again 0 is there in the units place. So all these numbers have 0 and 5 in the units place. So they are multiples of 5. Next sum, write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 10. So according to the test of divisibility by 5, they should have 0 in the units place. So here see 100, 110, 120, 130 and 140. The last digit number is 0. So all these numbers are multiples of 10. Second sum, write 5 numbers that are multiples of 2 as well as 3. Now to write, the best way is the boys to write the table and find out. Okay, so 2 table you have to write and 3 table you have to write. Okay, from 2 table, which are the common one? Now see here, 2 3s is what? 6. Again 2 6 is what? 12. 2 9s is 18. 2 12s is 24 and 2 15s is 30. In the 3 table also, 3 2s is 6, 3 4s is 12, 3 6s is 18, 3 8s is 24 and 3 10s is 30. So these numbers are common in 3 table also. So 5 numbers that are multiples of 2 as well as 3 are 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Got it? Fourth sum, a ribbon is 3 meter long, can be cut into 50 centimeter pieces and have nothing left over. Write the reason why or why not. Now what they told us, the ribbon is 3 meter long. The ribbon is given in 3 meter and they told us can be cut it into 50 centimeter pieces. Okay. Before that what they told us, now 3 meter long, they told us to cut into 50 centimeter piece. For that, first what you have to do is 3 meter you have to convert it into centimeter first. So 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 3 into 100 you have to do. That is 300 centimeter. Now you have to check that 300 is exactly divisible by 50 or not. Okay, so let's do by division. So 300 you have to divide with 50. Now 50, 6 is what? 300. So what answer you get? 6. What question you get? 6. So you can say that 300 is exactly divisible by 50. So 3 meter long ribbon can be cut into 50 centimeter pieces. So answer 300 is exactly divisible by 50. So we can make 6 pieces each of length 50 centimeter from a ribbon of 3 meter long. Fourth sum, a ribbon is 3 meter long. I need 8 pieces of ribbon, each 40 centimeter long. How many centimeters shorter is the ribbon than the length I need? So here ribbon is 3 meter long and I need 8 pieces of ribbon, each 40 centimeter long. So ribbon required is how much? 8 into 40 you have to do. That is 320 centimeter. Now the given ribbon is 3 meter long. So first you have to convert it into centimeter. So how you will do it? You have to multiply with 100. So 3 you will multiply with 100. So we will get what? 300 centimeter long. Now they told us to find how many centimeter ribbon is shorter. From ribbon required, we have to subtract the given ribbon. That is 320, you have to subtract 300. So answer you will get what? 20 centimeter. So the given ribbon is shorter by 20 centimeter. Fifth sum, if the number given in the table is divisible by the given divisor, put right in the box. If it is not divisible by the divisor, put wrong in the box. Now see here, the numbers are given to you all. Okay, divisors are given. You have to check. Now according to the test of divisibility by 2, by 5 and 10, you have to do the sum. Okay. Now see here, 15. 5 is in the units place. So it is divisible by 5, but it is not divisible by 2 and 10. Next, 30. 0 in the units place, so it is divisible by 2 also, it is divisible by 5 also, and it is divisible by 10 also. Then 34. 4 is in the units place, so it is only divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 5 and 10. 46. Again 6 is in the units place, so only it is divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 5 and 10. 55. 5 is in the units place, so it is only divisible by 5, but it is not divisible by 2 and 10. 63. It is not divisible by any number. 2 also it is not divisible, by 5 also it is not divisible, and by 10 also it is not divisible. Now 70, 0 in the units place. So it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 5, and it is divisible by 10 also. 84, 4 in the units place. So it would only divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 5 and 10.